Math 3, final benchmark, question 39. What is the remainder when x cubed plus 12x squared plus 7x plus 1 is divided by x squared plus 3? Since this has x squared, we have to do long division. Synthetic division will not work except for linear factors. And this is a quadratic factor. So we're going to do x squared plus 3 divided into x cubed plus 12x squared plus 7x plus 1. So we're going to say, how many times does x squared go into x cubed? Or x squared times what gives me x cubed? So that's going to be x. And then I have to do x times x squared, x cubed. We always want the first column to cancel, but then we have to do x times 3x. And since that's a 3x, we are going to move that over. So let me back up, and positive 3x, I'm going to put that under my linear term. All right, now I'm going to subtract. When I subtract, that subtracts all the way across. So this will cancel, bring down my 12x squared, and then 7x plus a negative 3x is 4x. Bring down my plus 1. And then start over. So I'm going to have x squared goes into 12x squared. How many times? And that would be plus 12. 12 times x squared is 12x squared. That's what we want. And then 12 times 3 is 36. Skip the linear term and let's put that under the 1. So we're going to subtract all the way across. This will cancel. 4x. 1 minus 36, or 1 plus negative 36 is negative 35. How many times does x squared go into 4x? It does not. So that means that is going to be our remainder. So our remainder is going to be 4x minus 35 over x squared plus 3. All right, so what is the remainder? The remainder is 4x minus 35. Sometimes they write it over the divisor, and sometimes they just write it as what the numerator is. So for question 39, the answer is D.